So let us see the next question. Question number 142. Equal moles of hydrogen and oxygen gases are placed in a container with a pinhole through which both can escape. What fraction of oxygen escapes in the time required for 1/2 of the hydrogen to escape? Now this question is based on Graham's law of diffusion. So in order to solve this question, we will apply Graham's law of diffusion. Number of moles of oxygen gas diffused, number of moles of hydrogen gas diffused. This is inversely related to molecular mass of hydrogen gas, molecular mass of oxygen gas. Now we have to find out the number of moles of oxygen gas diffused, and in this question it is mentioned that 1/2 of the hydrogen to escape. Initially we were taken 1 mole hydrogen and 1/2 mole is escaped. So this is number of moles of hydrogen is 1/2 root molecular mass of hydrogen, this is 2, molecular mass of oxygen, this is 32, and number of moles of oxygen is coming out 1/8. So answer is second option, 1/8. Second option is the correct one. So students, moving to the next question, question number 143. The correct statement regarding the comparison of staggered and eclipsed conformation of ethane is. The first option is the staggered conformation of ethane is more stable than eclipsed conformation because staggered conformation has no torsional strain. Second option is the staggered conformation of ethane is less stable than eclipsed conformation because staggered conformation has torsional strain. Third option is the eclipsed conformation of ethane is more stable than staggered conformation because eclipsed conformation has no torsional strain. Fourth option is the eclipsed conformation of ethane is more stable than staggered conformation even though the eclipsed conformation has torsional strain. So students, as we know, staggered conformation of ethane is more stable than eclipsed conformation. So only the first option is possible option because in the statement it is given that staggered form is more stable. In all other three options it is clearly mentioned that staggered conformation is less stable. And for your information, for your knowledge, you should know that staggered conformation is more stable because it is not having any kind of torsional strain. Torsional strain is the strain which is developed due to interaction of two bond pairs which are not directly bonded to each other. So first option is the correct one. Answer is 1.